I am learning English today. I start slowly, step by step. I read simple words each day. I listen close and try my best. Learning English takes some time. I stay calm, my mood is fine.
I hear English in songs and shows. I repeat words I already know. I speak softly, clear and slow. I feel my confidence grow.
Every word has meaning here. Learning English feels so clear. I don't rush, I don't compare. I learn English with good care. Little effort every day
helps my English stay and play. I'm learning English every day. I practice in a simple way. I listen, read and speak out loud. I feel relaxed, I feel proud. I am learning English today.
I learn English at my pace. I feel comfortable and safe. Short sentences help me speak, even when my grammar feels weak.
Practice helps me understand.
English helps me make a plan.
I learn words from daily life, morning time and night time.
Food and places, work and home. English follows where I go. Simple phrases help me say what I think and feel each day.
Mistakes help me learn again. They are part of every plan. I don't stop when things feel strange. Learning English means I change. I'm learning English every day. I practice in a simple way. I listen, read and speak out loud. I feel relaxed, I feel proud. I'm learning English today. I grow a little more each day.
Every day is not the same. Some days slow, some days change, but I keep going anyway. Learning English every day.
I study English at my desk. I take small breaks, I rest.
I write short lines in my book. I review and take a look. Learning habits help me stay focused, calm, and on my way. I enjoy learning English now. I don't ask when or how.
Progress comes when I am kind to myself and to my mind.
Little steps help me see who I'm learning English to be.
I'm learning English every day. I practice in a simple way. I listen, read and speak out loud. I feel relaxed, I feel proud. I am learning English today. I grow a little more each day.
I keep learning English slow. I like the progress that I know.
With songs and words along the way, I learn English every day.